Okay, hey guys, so this is probably my last video of the day when it comes to all this hairs and unboxing. So the last video that I'm doing is once again Shake and Go. This is the Organique Mastermix, and this is the Blow Dry Straight and 18-20-22. This says 5-inch deep. What's like what is it? Shit, I forgot that fast. 5-inch deep part closure. This says you can put heat to it at 400 degrees. So let's open her up. So like I was saying in the last video when I was doing the outre one. I bought before hair from, it was Shake and Go, but it was the Q hair, and it was obviously synthetic blend, and I've had it, and I like the way it was, you know, like the way it felt, and it's still very together. I've had it for a few years now, and I'm trying to just find hair that you can do like a kinky strike dupe on a budget and go from there. So this hair off bat, you know what I think it is? I was saying in the last video, there's a shine. This is supposed to be a number 2. Once again, this number 2 looks black. I think this is, if this was like a 4, it wouldn't have a luster to it. Like, it looks like it has like a luster. I mean, in a video, it might look like just, you know, shiny, healthy hair. Obviously, that's the ends. Be careful when you pull these out, because sometimes they have the, these little things stabbed into stuff, so be very careful when, don't pull them out, cut them out. Like, it'll save you in the long run. So let's start with the part. So this is a 5-inch deep part. Okay, you can see the weft. The outre one had a little fabric on the bottom. This is the top of it. You can actually see me through it. This actually does have a slight... Okay, see, this is where I don't like. You see that the hair... Can y'all see this? So the hair stops here, but the weft is right here. So you gonna have to like... You would have to cut that weft. Or make sure it falls forward. I'm gonna have to put a new piece of lace anyway, because I want to do have a hairline on here. Because look, you guys see that? You would have to cut that extra piece off, because you see the weft. That's just stupid. They didn't put enough hair to cover it. So even if you combed it down, you still see the end of the weft. You would have to cut it. So but yeah, first thoughts on it. I mean, it feels nice. It feels nice. Definitely feels nice. Obviously, part needs some work, but this feels fine. It's definitely full. Okay, let's pull out the bundles. They don't have the mark, so make sure when you do install them, you pay attention to what you're putting in. Once again, these are very thin wefts. These look like the 27-piece weft. That's the best way to describe it. They're like the 27-piece weft type. Very thin, single wefted. This should be enough to, they say it's enough to do a full head. We will see. I would not suggest buying 2 packs of this because, granted, regardless of the saying it's a master mix, it is synthetic hair. You don't want this to be matted on your head. But this is this. This is all of the bundles. This is a nice thickness. It feels pretty good. I don't know. I feel like the Milky Way Q one still feels better to me. I'm going to do a comparison of all 3. The Milky Way Q one I've had forever. And then, obviously, the outre one. And then the Organique. This feels nice, though. I like the way it feels. I just wish I was able to get more colors. That's the only thing about wig types I think they need to work on. Is their color selection. Because it was only 1B and 2. This was, or no, it was 1... Whatever, I think it was 1B and 2, or was it 1 and then 2, the color number 2. I wanted some highlight, I wanted something to show, you know, more of the texture, because I feel like a lot of times when you get synthetic blend or whatever synthetic, when it's actually like a 1, a 2, or 1B, a lot of times it has the shine. It has like this plasticky shine to it, but I feel like maybe over time it can dull out. I know people put cornstarch and all of that, but I just rather not have to do any of that. So this is the 22, this is the 20, and this is the 18. I feel like the 20 got the most out of all of them. The 22 has the least, which I think they should have put the most in the 22. But we will see how this goes, but definitely, like I said, this is just an unboxing video. It does have the care instructions on here. It always says the same shit. different thing. A lot of times they need to redo these care instructions because it's a little different, but that's pretty much it. And like the other one, this does have I don't know where it went. Oh, it's right here. The bag, the big bag. I feel like after you make your wig, you can definitely just, you know, throw it back in here. I'm just throwing all this in here. I'm gonna get rid of the big stock card, keep the little one. Here's the closure again. Like I said, this is 5 inches deep. They did a decent job with covering the wefts. The wefts, you can't see them, except the front. That's different, but overall the part is very concealed. And you can always put powder in the middle or put some foundation under it. You know, whatever your preference. I would feel like also, you know, quick before I do go off, if you do make a wig with this, you can definitely blend your hair into this without a problem and just, you know, blow it out or braid it and then comb it out into it. Especially with this part, you know, you're not getting much. So you can always, like if you're going to sew this to your head, let's say you were going to do a sew-in. I don't recommend this. I think you should sew a wig. I mean, make a wig. But you can always fold over the lace in the front and stitch it that way if you are trying to sew it to your head. So you have extra reinforcement when you stitch, just to let you know. But yep, that's all, folks. This is, like I said, the Shake and Go Mastermix Organique Blowout Stray 4-piece. This is in the, I'm fucking reading this backwards. The Blow Dried Straight 4-piece, 18/20/22 with a closure. And also this, no, this, I didn't get this in 1B. I got this in 2. Anyways, let me get off here. I'm done talking for now, but let me know what you think of this, just the unboxing and seeing it. I just feel like this is not a bad option. I mean, in camera, this looks really luster and healthy. So, in person, it gives you, I still feel like I can see like this synthetic-y shine. So, I don't know. We'll see. You guys let me know. Anyways, bye now. Thank you guys so much for viewing my videos. And like I always say, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any ideas that you want me to talk about, anything, if you just want to talk, you can definitely hit me up on Instagram, which is No More Hair. You can definitely email me. My email is down there below. It's ramonbynomorehair@gmail.com. Or you can text me. The number is down below. I don't remember by heart. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.